In today's session, we'll learn how to create a database table, how to insert data to it, how to update the record inside it, how to delete records, how to alter the table structure, and finally how to drop the table. So now you can see I am inside the demo database and there is no table present inside. So let's start with creating a table. For that, you can see I have the details like what is the table name, what all column will be part of the table with the data type. For example, employee ID, first name, last name, and department, and we have the data types. So let me execute it. You can see the command executed successfully, right? And when you refresh the table section, you can see the employee table has been created. And now let's query the table. You can see the table is empty and we don't have any records present inside that table. We have just created the schema of the table, I mean the structure of the table. On the same table, let's insert few records. So the command to insert data inside the table is we need to provide the column name and the values associated with them. So let's click on execute. You can see the command executed successfully. If you query the table, now you can see the table is having 5 rows, right? On the same data, let's check the update command and we'll see how it works. Before that, just check the data in the table. We have Jen Smith, who belongs to HR department, will update his department to marketing. So command to update the table is update table name, set department equal to marketing, where employee ID equal to 2. So let's execute it. You can see the command ran successfully, right? If you see the data again, Jane Smith, who belongs to the HR team earlier, now updated to marketing team. So in this way, we can do the update operation. Now let's move to the delete operation. If you see the data in the same table, Bob Johnson belongs to employee ID 3, right? So now I want to delete the record where employee ID equal to 3. So command to delete the record is delete from table name with a where condition. And if we are not providing the condition, it will delete all the records. Once we execute the command and query the table again, you can see employee ID 3 is deleted. So earlier we have 5 records, now employee ID 3 is deleted. So I have only 4 records sitting in my table. Now let's move to the alter command, which is used to change the structure of the table, right? Suppose in the same table, I want to add a new column or I want to drop a column. The command will be alter table name and the column name, which is phone number, and the data type, which is int here. Once we execute the command, if you query the table again, you can see the new column has been created with null values, right? In the same way, you can drop the column as well. So command for that is alter table name, drop column name. So let's execute it. And now if you query the table again, you can see the phone number which I have created earlier got deleted. And finally, we have the drop command which will drop the table. Once we execute the query, the table will be dropped. So let's query the table now. You can see the table which we have created earlier and we have done insert, update, delete, all operation in that. Now the table has been deleted from the database. If you'll query the table, it will throw a error. I hope it is clear now. Please let me know in the comments below if you need any help or you want to learn any new content. Thank you.
If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Schema for more such informative topics.